ever feel like your money psychology is holding you back? Maybe you've tried every budgeting hack, every list of personal finance tips, and yet your bank account still doesn't reflect the life you want. The truth is, it's not always about how much money you make. It's about the money beliefs that hold you back and how you choose to change them. Today we're going to unlock the secret mindset shift that wealthy people use to build and keep their fortunes. You'll discover why mindset matters more than income, the daily habits that quietly build wealth, and how to overcome the scarcity thinking that keeps so many people stuck. Stay with me until the end, because if you're serious about building wealth and financial freedom, this video could change the way you think about money. Forever. Why mindset matters more than income. Here's the shocking truth. Earning more money doesn't guarantee wealth. Studies show that over 60% of lottery winners are broke within 5 years. Why? Because without the right mindset, money slips through your fingers. Wealthy people know this. Money isn't just numbers, it's energy. It's a reflection of your mindset. If you believe money is scarce, you'll act out of fear. You'll hoard it, or worse, you'll waste it. If you believe money flows and grows, you'll invest it wisely. You'll take smarter risks. You'll use money as a tool, not as a crutch. Think about it. 2 people can earn the exact same salary. One ends up broke, the other builds a fortune. The difference isn't income, it's mindset. So the first shift is this. Stop asking, how much money do I make? Start asking, what is my relationship with money? How the wealthy make smarter money decisions. Wealthy people think long-term. They don't ask, how much does this cost today? They ask, what value does this create tomorrow? For example, instead of buying the newest car every 3 years, they invest in assets that produce cash flow. Instead of chasing instant gratification, they play the long game. Here's a powerful example. Jeff Bezos once said he makes business decisions by projecting himself 10 years into the future. The wealthy apply this same thinking to personal finances. Ask yourself before spending, will this expense bring me closer to financial freedom or pull me further away? This is where personal finance tips often fail, because they focus on cutting lattes or clipping coupons. That's small thinking. Wealthy people focus on big money moves, investing, creating businesses, building networks, buying assets. And here's the kicker. You don't need millions to think this way. You just need to shift your perspective from short-term consumption to long-term wealth. Quick break. If this is resonating, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps me keep creating videos that help you master your financial future. Daily habits that build wealth over time. Wealth isn't built in giant leaps, it's built in tiny, consistent steps. Here are habits wealthy people swear by. Pay yourself first. Before bills, before fun, automate money into savings or investments. Even $10 matters because it's about behavior, not the amount. Read daily. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Wealthy people are constant learners. They know knowledge compounds like interest. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment dictates your mindset. If your friends complain about money, you'll mirror that. If your circle talks about opportunities, investing and growth, you'll rise with them. Practice gratitude. It sounds soft, but gratitude rewires your brain from scarcity to abundance. Science backs this up. Neuroscience shows our thoughts literally rewire our brains. By practicing gratitude, by visualizing abundance, you condition your brain to seek wealth-building opportunities instead of fear. Remember this, wealth is a habit, not an event. Overcoming scarcity. Thinking and embracing abundance. Here's where most people get stuck. Scarcity thinking. It sounds like this. There's never enough money. I can't afford to invest. Rich people are just lucky. Scarcity thinking keeps you playing small. It keeps you trading hours for dollars instead of creating wealth systems. The wealthy, they practice abundance thinking. Abundance says, there's more money to be made. Opportunities are everywhere if I look for them. I can create value and wealth will follow. Here's a practical tip. The next time you catch yourself saying, I can't afford this, reframe it. Ask instead, how can I afford this? That single shift moves your brain from closed doors to creative solutions. The mental frameworks that lead to financial freedom. Let's break down the exact frameworks wealthy people use. Assets over liabilities, always. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. Simple rule, but powerful when applied daily. Multiple income streams. Wealthy people never rely on one paycheck. They diversify: stocks, real estate, businesses, royalties, compounding. Wealth grows slowly at first, then suddenly. The earlier you start, the more exponential your results. Money as a servant, not a master. Wealthy people use money to buy freedom, not status. They don't let money control their happiness. Think of financial freedom as a mental game. Once you think like the wealthy, your actions begin to align naturally. So here's the challenge. Stop stressing about money. Stop letting scarcity control your future. Instead, master your mindset, adopt wealthy habits, and watch how your financial life transforms. If this video gave you value, do 3 things right now. Like this video so more people can discover these ideas. Subscribe for weekly strategies to master your money mindset. Drop a comment below and share what's one money belief you're ready to let go of today. And don't forget, share this video with someone who needs a mindset shift about money. Because when you change the way you think, you change the way you live. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how you think about money. Master your mindset and you master your wealth.